How do you cure homesickness and wanderlust at the same time? You fly halfway across the world to turn a family reunion into the ultimate three-country road trip. Welcome to Miles with Michael. For the next 18 days, we are blitzing through Southeast Asia, starting in Thailand, hopping to Singapore, and crossing into Malaysia. If you love spicy food, skylines, and racking up some serious miles on foot, you're in the right place. Let's go! First stop, Thailand. We arrived at Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, and I just love its energy. It reminds me of Metro Manila in the Philippines, and despite being a busy urban jungle, I love that it still has lots of trees and plants around the city. The presence of temples around the city gives Bangkok its distinct look as an Asian city. We settled at Happy 3 Hotel, perfectly located near the MBK Center for quick malling and endless food options. The real highlight, however, was finally reuniting with my sisters, Phyllis and Frances, who flew in from the Philippines. Now that we're all together, it's time to get going. First, we stopped by Arawan Museum for a quick tour. Our main objective for the day, though, was to see the ancient city. It's this massive replica park of Thailand's key landmarks. Pro tip, it's best that you hire a vehicle to get around ancient city because the place is just huge. There are also shows happening at the center of ancient city. Make sure to ask for the schedule at reception to catch them on time. We tried the metro going home. It was clean and organized, and it wasn't the rush hour, so it wasn't crowded. I'd recommend getting the metro. But for our general commuting, we use Grab taxis to commute as they're very convenient and affordable. If you visit Thailand and not eat Thai food, then you've wasted your vacation. Because Thai food is one of the best in the world. Our default place for exploring Thai food would be the food courts inside malls. Now, hear me out. Before you think that traditional food can be found in food courts inside malls, that's not the case in Thailand. The food there are not commercialized and it's not fast food. Instead, they have an abundance of traditional Thai food. The food courts even have the exotic ones. I didn't try those though. Maybe next time. There are also the ones outside of malls. I still recommend those. It's an amazing experience. Finally, Bangkok's own Chinatown offers a variety of delicacies as well. Now, if you love coffee, or maybe if you just love taking pretty Instagram photos, then these cafes are for you. One cafe is After the Rain Coffee Shop. It's a cute coffee shop near a coconut plantation. They have some nice coffee and pastries, but the highlight of this coffee shop are the canals through the coconuts that you can go boating on. And then, there's Bubble in the Forest. It's a very touristy place with cool dining places. It has a man-made lake where you can take cool, Instagrammable photos. Overall, we loved our stay at Bangkok. We love the healthy and tasty food. We love watching Muay Thai. And we definitely love the friendly people. We will definitely be back for more, but for now, it's time for us to leave this beautiful city and head over to our next destination, Singapore. Sadly, my sisters won't be joining us for our Singapore leg, but this time, we are joined by family members from Cheryl's side. We were on our way to Gardens by the Bay when I noticed these moving plates on this building. It's called biophilic architecture. It's a design that features natural light, ventilation, and green spaces to enhance well-being and sustainability. Pretty cool, huh? I think it's really necessary for a highly urbanized city like Singapore. In fact, I've only seen these things in Singapore. If you know any places that have a lot of biophilic architecture, let me know in the comments. We finally arrived at Gardens by the Bay for the light show. It happens every day at 7:45 p.m. and at 8:45 p.m. But make sure to arrive 30 minutes earlier so you can secure a spot. Also, make sure to check gardensbythebay.com.sg for important notices. And for some family fun, we dropped by Universal Studios Singapore. Arrow loved it. Now, I know we already went to Chinatown back in Thailand, but you just can't miss the one in Singapore. It has its own unique charms, sceneries, and of course, food. Singapore. Fast-paced, exhilarating, and vibrant. Now it's time to go to our next destination, and it's just nearby. Next up is Malaysia. We just rented a van going into Malaysia. It's convenient when you're traveling in large groups. Before heading to Kuala Lumpur, we had an overnight stop at Johor Bahru to go to Legoland, Malaysia. We checked in a B&B at the Affinity Medini Residences. It's just a 5-minute walk from Legoland, Malaysia. We took a coach going to Kuala Lumpur. It was nice and roomy as we had it all to ourselves. And finally, Kuala Lumpur, our final stop. After settling down and having rested from our travel, we immediately headed off to the Petronas Twin Towers. It's best to go there at night when all the lights are on. And just 5 minutes away from the towers is the Saloma Link. It's this modern and vibrant bridge across the Klang River. So at this point of the journey, I didn't take a lot of footages anymore. I have to apologize for that. I blame it on travel fatigue, plus all my group wanted to do was go shopping. Hard to go against that when you're traveling with 5 women. My in-laws left Kuala Lumpur before us. Cheryl, Arrow, and I still have a few more days before we head back to Dublin, so we just sat back and relaxed for a little longer after our big adventure Southeast Asian family reunion. We had so much fun with them, and we hope we can do it again in the future. If you have gotten this far, please leave a like and a comment below. This tells YouTube to suggest this video to more people like yourself. These videos take a long time to create, so I'd really appreciate your support. Until our next adventure, thanks for watching Miles with Michael. See you next time!